Hey guys, welcome to 2150. This is here, and today we are going to do another unboxing video, and this time it's the Procus Rush Action Camera. So let's go. So this is the box, and this is what's inside of it. The invoice, some airbags, and the main box. This is what's inside the main box. And let's take it out, and this is it. Oh, and there's another bag. The bag you receive with this camera. So this is the bag, and this is the camera, and what's this? This is something important. Now let's open this box and let's see what's inside of it. Well, you can see the camera inside of it. Let's see what else is there. So when you open this from the top, you have this. So this does have many things inside of it. Now let's see what's there. You have the battery. You have the helmet mount. The waterproof case. It's already there. It's another extra one. You have another helmet mount. You have a piece of a mount. You have the handlebar mount. You can also mount it, use this to mount this camera into your crash guards. This is the charger, or the head of the charger. This is another piece of the mount. These are the straps, Velcro straps. You can use it to, use the camera on your top of your palm, on the back of your hand. This is the remote. You can also use these straps along with this remote and put it here onto your handlebar, and then you can use this remote to control the camera. A cloth to clean the camera. Keep it here. And what's this? This is a clip mount that you can clip it to. You can use. There is another piece of mount here. And you can use this clip mount to clip, you put the camera here, and then you use the clip to clip it to any one of the bands or straps there. You have this mount here. This is another piece of the mount, a J mount, and another mount to mount it on the helmet. There are extra 3M tapes provided, and some cables and cable ties, and this is the USB cable, and this is the user manual. And last but not least, the camera itself. So let's see, there are some notes written here. This is the mount. You can clip it to one of these mounts here, and now let's open it and let's see. There, and then you bring this up, and then you have the camera there. Now let's see. This is the camera. You have the buttons here. Well, this is not a review, so I'm not going to review this camera. Yeah, you have one battery here, the extra one. The other one should be inside of this, the battery compartment. Now, if I open the battery compartment, let's see how it looks inside. There you go. Another battery is provided in here. So you bring out the battery by pulling this small strap here. There you go, the battery. So you have two batteries, and you have all of these different accessories with this. This is a pack with 23 accessories, and this is where the SD card goes in. And here you have the VGA, the HDMI, and the USB port, which will be something like this. This has the port here. So you can also charge it to use your phone charger, I believe, but I'm not sure though. So don't take my advice on this right now. Let me put this one here. So these are the stuff that you get along with this Procus Rush camera. There you go. Well, that was it, and I hope you liked this video. And if you do like this video, don't forget to click the like button down below and subscribe to this channel to keep updated to more interesting stuff. Ride safe.